Welcome to Bhagwan Ki Baatein. This YouTube channel is meant to bring to you all about God, His stories, people who've been devoted to Him, all the great men who have reached unto Him. Lot of things, but all about God. So today, we are here to bring to you one of the most popular Chalisas, Hanuman Chalisa. We'll speak out Hanuman Chalisa and then translate it to English, because we do feel that there are a lot of you who probably would understand Hanuman Chalisa translated to English better. So let us start with Stuti, Guru Stuti. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Dev Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahm, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. बोलो पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, बजरंग बली की जय. श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज, निज मन मुकुर सुधार. बरन्यो रघुबर विमल जस, जो दायक फल चार. Let's see what this means. After cleansing the mirror of my mind with the pollen dust of Holy Guru's lotus feet, I profess the pure, untainted glory of Sri Raghubir, which bestows the fourfold fruits of life. What are those four fruits? Dharam, Arth, Kam and Moksha. बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके, सुमिरौ पवन कुमार. बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि, हरहु कलेश विकार. The meaning? Fully aware of the deficiency of my intelligence, I concentrate my attention on Pavan Kumar and humbly ask for strength, intelligence, and true knowledge to relieve me of all blemishes causing pain. Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar, Jai Kapis Tihu Lok Ujagar. रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा. Let's see what this means. Victory to thee, O Hanuman, ocean of wisdom. All hail to you, O Kapisa, that is the fountainhead of power, wisdom, and Shiv Shakti. You illuminate all the three worlds, the entire cosmos, with your glory. You are the divine messenger of Sri Ram, the repository of immeasurable strength. Though known only as son of Pavan, wind, and born of Anjani Mata. Mahavir Vikram Bajrangi, Kumati Nivar Sumati ke Sangi. कंचन वरन मिराज सुबेसा, कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा. And this means, with limbs as sturdy as Vajra. Vajra is the mace of God Indra. You are valiant and brave. On you attends good sense and wisdom. You dispel the darkness of evil thoughts. Your physique is beautiful, golden colored, and your dress is pretty. You wear earrings and have long curly hair. हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे, कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे, शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन, तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन. And this means you carry in your hand a lightning bolt along with a victory, which is the Kesari flag, and wear the sacred thread on your shoulder. As a descendant of Lord Shankar, you are a comfort and pride of Shri Kesari. With the luster of your vast sway, you are propitiated all over the universe. Let's move forward. विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर, राम काज करिबे को आतुर, प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया, राम लखन सीता मन बसिया. Meaning, you are the repository of learning, virtuous and fully accomplished, always keen to carry out the behests of Sri Ram. You are the ardent listener, always so keen to listen to the narration of Sri Ram's life stories. Your heart is filled with what Sri Ram stood for. You therefore always dwell in the hearts of Sri Ram, Lakshman and Sita. सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा, भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे. And the meaning? You appeared before Sita in a diminutive form and spoke to her in humility. You assumed an awesome form and struck terror by setting Lanka on fire. With overwhelming might, you destroyed the Asuras, the demons, and performed all tasks assigned to you by Sri Ram with great skill. लाए सजीवन लखन जियाए, श्री रघुवीर हरषि उर लाए, रघुपति की नहीं बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही सम भाई. And the meaning? You brought Sanjeevan, a herb that revives life, and restored Lakshman back to life. Shri Raghuveer, that is Shri Ram, cheerfully embraced you with his heart full of joy. Shri Raghupati, that is Shri Ram, lustily extolled your excellence and said, "You are as dear to me as my own brother Bharat." सहस बदन तुम रोजश गावे, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे, सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित अहिसा. This means thousands of living beings are chanting hymns of your glories. Saying thus, Shri Ram warmly hugged him. That is Shri Hanuman. When prophets like Sank Adi, even the sage like Lord Brahma, the great hermit Narad himself, goddess Saraswati, and Ahisha. यम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाँ के, कवि कोविद कही सके कहाँ ते, तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीना, राम मिलाए राजपद दीना, तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना. And what does this mean? Even Yamraj, the god of death, Kuber, the god of wealth, and the Dikpals, the deputies guarding the four corners of universe, have been vying with one another in offering homage to your glories. How then can a mere poet give adequate expression of your super excellence? I think Tulsidas ji is being very, very humble in saying this. And you rendered a great service to Sugriv. You, with him, with Sri Ram, he installed him on the royal throne by heeding your advice. Vibhishan became Lord of Lanka. This is known all over the universe. युग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु, लील्योताहि मधुर फल जानु। प्रभु मुद्रिका मेली मुख माही, जलधि लांग गए अचरज नाहि. And this means, on your own dashed upon the sun, which is a fabulous distance of thousands of miles, thinking it to be a sweet, luscious fruit. Carrying the Lord's signet ring in your mouth, there is hardly any wonder you easily leaped across the ocean. दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम रे ते। राम द्वारे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे. And this means the burden of all difficult tasks of the world became light with your kind grace. You are the sentry at the door of Sri Ram's abode. No one can enter it without your permission. सब सुख लय तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना. आपन तेज संभारो आपे, तीनों लोक हाँकते कांपे. And what does this mean? All comforts of the world lie at your feet. The devotees enjoy all the divine pleasures and feel fearless under your benign protection. You alone are befitted to carry your own soul valor. All the three worlds, the entire universe, tremor at your thunderous call. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे. नासे रोग हरे सब पीड़ा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा. The meaning? All the ghosts, demons, and evil forces keep away with the sheer mention of your great name, O Mahavir. All diseases, pain, and suffering disappear on your reciting regularly Shri Hanuman's holy name. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सो ही अमिट जीवन फल पावे. The meaning? All who hail, worship and have faith in Shri Ram as the Supreme Lord and the King of Penance, you make all their difficult tasks very easy. Whosoever comes to you for the fulfillment of any desire with faith and sincerity, will he alone secure the imperishable fruit of human life. चारों जुग प्रताप तुम्हारा, है परषेद जगत उजियारा. साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे. And this means all through the 4 ages, your magnificent glory is acclaimed far and wide. Your fame is radiantly acclaimed all over the cosmos. You are Savior and the guardian of angel of saints and sages, and destroy all the demons. You are the angelic darling of Sri Ram. अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता, राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा. The meaning? You can grant to anyone any yogic power of 8 siddhis, the power to become light, heavy, at will, and the 9 nidhis, riches, comfort, power, prestige, fame, sweet relationship, etc. This boon has been conferred upon you by Mother Janki. You possess the power of devotion to Sri Ram. In all rebirths, you will always remain Sri Raghupati's most dedicated disciple. तुमरे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे, अंतकाल रघुवरपुर जाए, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाए. And this means, through hymns sung in devotion to you, one can find Sri Ram and become free from the sufferings of several births. If at the time of death one enters the divine abode of Sri Ram, thereafter in all future births, he is born as Lord's devotee. और देवता चेत न धरहि, हनुमंत से ही सर्व सुख करहि, संकट कटे मिटे सब पीड़ा, जो सुमिरै हनुमत बलबीरा. The meaning? One need not entertain any other deity for propitiation, as the devotion of Sri Hanuman alone can give all the happiness. One is freed from all the sufferings and ill-fated contingencies of rebirths in the world. One who adores and remembers Sri Hanuman. जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाहि, जो 7 बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटहि बंदी महा सुख होई. And this means, Hail, 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 Sri Hanuman, Lord of senses, your victory over the evil be firm and final. Be in the capacity as my supreme Guru. One who recites Chalisa 100 times becomes free from the bondage of life and death and enjoys the highest bliss at last. जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सिद्धि साखी गौरी सा, तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, कीजे दास हृदय महडेरा. This means all those who recite Hanuman Chalisa, these 40 chapais, regularly are sure to be benedict. Such is the evidence of no less a witness of Bhagwan Shankar. Tulsidas, as a bonded slave of divine, stays perpetually at his feet. He prays, O Lord, you enshrine within my heart and soul. And now the last few lines. Pavan tanay sankat haran, mangal मूर्ति रो, राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसहु सुरभू. And what do these final lines mean? O conqueror of the wind, destroyer of all the miseries, you are a symbol of auspiciousness. Along with Sri Ram, Lakshman and Sita, reside in my heart, O the King of gods. So here we come to the end of Hanuman Chalisa, translated for you in English in this YouTube channel Bhagwan Ki Baatein. We keep bringing to you a lot of interesting, devotional and inspiring stories of God, about God, by God, and by the people who have known God, who have realized God. We'll connect with you in another episode of another interesting Bhagwan Ki Baatein. Until then, thank you very much for tuning in.